Number 13. What is the dietary importance of fiber in humans? So, fibers are they're made of celluloses. Oops. Cellulose are found in cell walls of the plant cells. And what happens when fiber is taken in is that things like the body parts like small intestine and large intestines, the muscles in them, actually the muscles in small intestine and the large intestine, they contract and relaxes. It contracts and relaxes to digest the fiber. However, we can't digest the fiber because we don't have enzymes such as cellulases. So cellulases are the enzymes that digests. Okay, that was a bad handwriting. Cellulases. So these guys digest cellulose molecules. However, we don't have them. So what happens is that the intestine, the bowel movement, or the movement of the small and large intestine continues. And what it does also is that the food molecules get pushed towards the let's say towards the rectum. So it travels from the food molecules travel from small intestine to large intestine, and then it reaches the rectum where the food molecules remain as feces or stored as feces. Okay, so this movement of food molecules are actually happening because of this movement of bowel movement. This movement of contraction and relaxation causes the food molecules to move is called peristalsis. Okay, peristalsis. And that help food move through the alimentary canal. And this happens because of the fiber. I mean, it doesn't actually happen because of the fiber. It happens, but fiber helps food molecules to move through the alimentary canal faster and probably effectively. So, answer is B. Okay.